my YouTube channel. And for today's video, as we all know, Valentine's Day is coming up in a few days or next week. I'm not sure. Anong date na ba ngayon? It's Feb 6, so parang around 7 days? No, 8 days. Okay, 8 days. Ang hina ko sa math. Pero yon, for this video, I will be showing you a simple, easy makeup look. As you all know, sa mga makeup tutorials ko, hindi ako masyado nag-makeup tutorial na medyo complicated kasi alam ko na maraming beginners sa inyo. So, without further ado, let's get started. This look will be super simple and easy, and you can wear this if you're having a date. Pero guys, huwag na lang kayo lumabas siguro kapag magdi-date kayo kasi alam niyo naman, pandemic ngayon. And if you're having a virtual date, that's good. You can wear this makeup look. Or kahit naman wala kang date, you can do this look for yourself, diba? Mag-picture-picture ka lang dyan, post mo sa Instagram, diba? And make sure to tag me if you're going to recreate this look. So yun, ang dami kong daldal. First thing that I will apply to my face is this Nature Republic na aloe vera mist. Ang tagal ko lang hindi nagamit to kasi iba-iba yung mga mist na tinatry ko ngayon. So, for today, let's go back to my OG face mist. This Nature Republic one. Guys, you can get this from Shopee and Lazada. Meron dun mga sellers na to. Na-miss kong gamitin to kasi yun nga, ang tagal ko na siyang hindi nagamit and super favorite ko to. Hindi ko alam ba't di ko na siya ginagamit. Patayin ko lang to. Then, moving on to makeup, I will use this primer. This is from Innisfree. It's just a No Sebum Blur Primer. And this one will help you blur out your pores. Pero if you have dry skin, I won't recommend this. Kasi, medyo nag-give siya ng mattifying effect. So, if you have dry skin, go ka sa mga moisturizing na mga primer kasi yun yung mas better. Pero if you have oily skin or normal skin, this one nung sa Innisfree, I can recommend this. So, ayan. Diba, as you can see, diba kanina medyo dewy yung face, ngayon medyo nag-mattify siya kasi may mattifying effect na siya. For my base makeup, I will use this BLK Skin Tint in the shade Chestnut. Pero if you need coverage, you can use foundation. Go lang. You can change naman yung mga products dito, guys. I will use the mist to wet my sponge. This one is the Real Techniques na sponge. And this one, try ko pa lang sa kanya and I can see the difference between sa ibang sponge na nagamit ko kasi sobrang lambot niya and sobrang smooth. And then before I move on to my concealer, I will use this Everlasting na lip therapy oil, and this one, ginagamit ko to kapag super dry ng lips ko kasi lip oil siya and may shimmer siya. So, para lang mamaya sa lipstick, hindi dry yung lips natin. Gagamitin ko to. And alam ko less than 100 lang to, guys, and super ganda niya, as in, I will put the links down below, pero you can check them out on Instagram. I will just put the username here. And moving on to concealer, I will use a tiny bit of concealer lang. I will use the Dasem concealer. And this is the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. Anong shade ko? Shade ko is 02. Ayan, ganyan lang yung need ko. I will just use the same sponge that I used earlier for my foundation. Guys, may nakalimutan na naman ako. Lagi kong nakakalimutan to, guys. Hindi ko sinasadya. Pero laging kong nakakalimutan mag-contact. So, I will just put on my contacts real quick. This is from TTDI na Trinity Gray. So, ayun. I'm gonna be right back. So, ayan na. May contacts na tayo. Lagi ko talaga siya nakakalimutan. Hindi ko alam bakit. So, next step we're going to do is blush. So, for blush, dalawa yung gagamitin ko. Isang cream blush isang powder blush. So, of course, cream blush muna yung unahin natin. So, I'm going to use the Glossier na Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. And this one is a new purchase also. And tinatry out ko pa lang siya. Pero guys, as in, ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. And if you're planning to buy Glossier products, I can recommend Go Glam PH sa Instagram. Kasi dun ko binili to. And authentic talaga sila. Kasi mahirap na ngayon. Maraming fake na nagbebenta. I'll just put it at the back of my hand. So, ayan siya. And gusto ko kasi itong look na to, guys. Medyo drunk blush siya. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Wow! Sabi ko, ang dami ko nalagay. Oh my gosh, ang dami ko nalagay. Mukha ako masapak. Hala. Hala, mukha akong... Ba't mukha akong nasapak? Ay, hindi naman. And then next, I will set my face using the Innisfree No Sebum... No Sebum Mineral Powder. And I'm just gonna use my powder brush. This one is from Ferrara. Ito lang yung F51 powder brush nila. And super fluffy nitong brush na to. So, and we're just gonna set our face. Sabi ko kanina guys, diba dalawang klaseng blush yung gagamitin ko. So, for the powder blush, I will use this Happy Skin Instant Glow Longwear Powder Blush in the shade Love. Wow! Perfect na perfect for our Valentine's Day look. This one, i-focus ko lang siya dito sa center area ng cheeks ko. Pati dito sa, parang dito. Dito ko siya i-focus sa center part. And then, moving on to my eyebrows, I want to go for a bushy brows today. So, I will use a brow soap. Ito, perfect to sa mga gusto ng bushy na fluffy brows, ganon. I'm just gonna wet it using the mist again. And use the spoolie. Kasi wala akong spoolie na sa brush. Yung mahabang type. So, ganyan lang. Gaganyan-ganyan lang. Gaganyan-ganyan nyo lang yung spoolie nyo. And get a product. And i-ganyan yung excess para hindi sobrang dami. So, tinataas-taas ko lang siya. Pero, ayan. Bina-brush up ko lang siya. Next thing I will use is my eyelash curler. This one is from Cheek Doll. Ito, laging ginagamit ko sa mga videos ko. Kasi, mura siya, pero it works really well. And, ito lang yung eyelash curler na nag-work sa akin na tumagal. Kasi yung iba parang naiipit yung lashes ko, ganun, tas masakit. So, ito, ang technique ko lang dito, push, push, tapos medyo itaas nyo siya. Don't worry guys, hindi masakit to. Tapos, as you can see, before, after. For the mascara, I will use this Maybelline New York The Falsies Lash Lift. This one is waterproof. So, perfect siya. So, no hulas makeup. And, ayan. Lagay-lagay lang tayo. Kasi ako, guys, mahaba yung lashes ko, pero nakababa siya lagi. So, yun yung struggle ko sa lashes ko. Next step is highlighter. So, I want a little bit of glow here and sa nose ko. So, I will use this Maybelline product again. This one is the Master Strobing Stick. And ito kasi, pinili ko guys. Kasi may pinkish undertone siya. And perfect siya for the pink blush. I will just rub my finger sa product. And I will put on sa nose ko din. Is I will take this eyebrow pencil I have. This is from Blight Cosmetics and this one is in dark brown ata. So, gagamitin ko lang yung eyebrow pencil for my freckles. So, dot ko lang sa face ko. And this one, Itong product na to yung pinaka nag-work sa akin for making freckles. Kasi mukha talaga siyang natural. Kasi wala naman akong freckles na natural. So, lagay na lang natin. So, ayan, I think I'm okay with the freckles na. And ayan, last step na tayo, guys. So, for lips, I will use 3 products. I know 3 products. And medyo tanggalin ko lang yung lip oil sa lips ko. So, ayan yung mga products na gagamitin ko for my lips. First is the Peri Pera na Ink Velvet in number 5. This one kasi is a red color. And for today's look, magre-red tayo. Pero, hindi kasi ako fan ng super bright na red. So, magmi-mix-mix ako para maging muted type of red siya. So, this one, dito ka lang siya ilalagay. Ayan. And, ayan, as you can see, bright red siya, diba guys? And, hindi bagay sa akin yung mga ganyang red. So, i-distribute natin sa whole lips ko. Sana hindi mamatay yung camera ko kasi malalobat na siya. And, then, second color or lip product is this Mercy na lip tint in the shade V17. Actually, ginamit ko din to sa previous video ko, pero ibang shade yon. This one is a dark red shade. And gagamitin ko siya or ilalagay ko siya sa loob na part para gumawa ng gradient effect. And ayan, binablend ko lang siya on the inner part of my lips. Pero as you can see, medyo bright pa din siya. You can stop here if you like this bright lip look. Pero ako, lalagyan ko pa siya ng another lipstick. This one is the Sunny's Face in the shade Casual. Ayan, brown shade siya. Para lang maging medyo nudish yung color ng lips natin. Ayan, diba? Medyo naging okay na yung shade niya. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're going to do this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram if you're gonna post it or send it to my DMs kasi I really appreciate it when you're going to recreate my looks. And ayun, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and make sure to comment some video suggestions because I want to be more active on YouTube and give you guys 2 videos a week kung kakayanin ko. So, just drop your video suggestions. So, ayun. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys! Bye!